In today's video, I will teach you how to place anything in perspective using Photopea. Let's get started. First, open Photopea and load the background image where you want to place your object or text by going to File, then Open. If you're placing an external object, simply go to File, then Open and Place, and select the object that you want to use. And if you're placing text, select the text tool from the toolbar, type your text, and customize its font, size, and style using the top menu. Now select your object or text layer in the Layers panel. Then right-click the layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. This ensures the quality of the object is preserved during transformations. With the object or text layer selected, press Ctrl-T or Command-T to activate the Free Transform tool. Then right-click on the bounding box and select Perspective from the context menu. Now click and drag the corner handles of the bounding box to adjust the perspective. For example, you can drag inward to create a vanishing point effect. And you can also drag outward to widen the object. Now align the object to match the perspective of the background. For more precision, you can reference elements in your image like buildings, tiles, or roads. You can adjust the object's blending to make it look like the part of the scene. To do this, choose Blending Options. And once you're satisfied, save your project by going to File, then Export As, then choose your preferred file format like JPEG or PNG. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.